What if I told you the rain no longer belongs to you? That in many parts of the world, water has been privatized, and even the sky can be owned. This is not science fiction, it's happening now. And in The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn, it's already law. The PieceTakers of the Monstrato Corps have patented the clouds and put a price on every drop. In Bolivia, Coca-Cola subsidiaries once tried to control water access. In Chile and South Africa, water rights were auctioned to corporations. In some US states, rain barrels, yes, collecting your own rain, has been criminalized. Around the globe, the right to water has become a battleground, and profit is winning. As rainfall becomes more erratic with climate collapse, multinational corporations are buying up wells, aquifers, desalination plants, and even cloud seeding rights. In The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn, weather has been fully monetized. The Monstrato Corporation's WAPE initiative decides who gets drought and who gets flood. Villages like Balnabane survive on what they can collect, and are punished when they take more than their barcode permits. Sound far-fetched? Nestle executives have publicly stated that access to water is not a human right. This is already the world we live in. We're just not admitting it yet. What happens when the rain becomes a commodity? Farmers can't afford irrigation, forests dry up, lakes vanish. Meanwhile, corporations extract and resell water at thousands of times the price, plastic-wrapped and polluting, while the poorest go thirsty. In Rona's world, this cycle has played out. The downblow is a wasteland, cracked, salted, dead, and the WAPE is all that remains. If we allow water to become profit, we lose everything. Rain is not a product, it is the breath of the earth. Read The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn to see what happens when we give it all away and to join the resistance. Because the fight over water is not coming, it's already here. The Girl Who Rode the Unihorn, available free for a limited time. Read it, share it, join the resistance.